Welcome back, friends. Welcome to one more lecture. I am Dr. Sujata Kasbe from Abasaheb Garwari College, Pune. Well, this is academic and informative lecture. Let us see our next part from hemoglobin and myoglobin family, that is myoglobin. Myoglobin is a globular monomeric protein which contains a single polypeptide chain of 160 amino acids residues. Similar to hemoglobin, the active center of myoglobin is made up of the heme unit. This consists of a macrocyclic ligand known as porphyrin, in cavity of which is bound the iron atom. Both myoglobin and hemoglobin bind dioxygen only when the iron is in its reduced state as Fe2+. The molecular weight of myoglobin is 17,000 Dalton, and myoglobin binds O2 more strongly than hemoglobin. The terminology oxy and deoxymyoglobin refer to the enzyme in its oxygenated or deoxygenated forms respectively. Myoglobin heme is also important biologically. Myoglobin is used to store oxygen in the tissues and muscles. Structure of myoglobin is similar to one unit in hemoglobin. It contains only one Fe atom and it binds O2 more strongly than Hb. In the oxygenated derivatives, there is considerable charge transfer between the coordinated peroxo groups and the metal centers. This phenomenon makes the essential DD metal transitions more intense than those for the simple activated Fe3+ or Cu2+ ions and permits facile measurement of oxygen binding curves. Let us compare hemoglobin and myoglobin. The molecular weight of hemoglobin is 65,000 D and that of myoglobin is 17,000 D. Hemoglobin is made up of 4 heme units and myoglobin is made up of only one heme unit. Hemoglobin supply dioxygen from lungs to the tissue and carrying CO2 from tissue to lungs. Myoglobin stores dioxygen in muscle. Hemoglobin has more affinity towards dioxygen than myoglobin at pH 7.2. Myoglobin has more affinity towards dioxygen at pH 2. Hemoglobin shows Bohr effect and whereas myoglobin doesn't show Bohr effect. Hemoglobin shows cooperative nature and myoglobin doesn't show cooperative nature. Let us begin with the next part of our syllabus, that is the hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is copper containing dioxygen carriers are distributed erratically in two large phyla, namely mollusca and arthropoda. The examples of mollusca are octopi and snails, and the examples of arthropoda are lobsters and scorpions. The functional form of hemocyanin consists of large assemblies of subunits. In the mollusca family, the subunit has a molecular weight of about 50 kilodalton and contains 2 copper atoms. From electron microscopic observations, hemocyanin molecules are cylindrical assemblies about 190 or 380 angstrom unit long and 350 angstrom unit in diameter, comprising 10 or 20 subunits respectively. For a molecular weight as high as 9 into 10 raised to 6 Dalton. In the arthropod family, the subunit has a molecular weight of about 70 kilodalton with 2 copper atoms. Molecular aggregates are composed of 6, 12, 24 or 48 subunits. Upon oxygenation, the colorless protein becomes blue. No monomeric hemocyanins analogous to myoglobin and myohemerythrin are known. For some hemocyanins, the binding of dioxygen is highly cooperative. If calcium or magnesium ions are present, the X-ray crystal structure of hexameric deoxyhemocyanin is known. See the structure of hemocyanin. Each copper atom is coordinated to 3 imidazole groups from histidine residues. The pinwheel arrangement of the 6 subunits, the domain structure of a single subunit, and the domain containing the active site is as shown in slide. Let us begin with the next part of our study, that is hemerythrin. The biological occurrence of hemerythrins is the third class of dioxygen carriers, and it is relatively rare. Being restricted to Cypionculid family, that is non-segmented worms, a few members of the Annelid family, that is segmented worm, a couple of brachiopods, that is shrimps, and a couple of priapulids. The oxygen binding site contains, like hemocyanin, a pair of metal atoms, in this case is iron. Upon oxygenation, the colorless protein becomes purple-red. Monomeric, trimeric and octameric forms of hemerythrin are known. All appear to be based on similar subunit of about 13.5 kilodalton. When hemerythrin is extracted from the organism, its oxygen binding is at best only weakly cooperative. In coelomic cells, oxygen apparently binds with higher cooperativity. The structure of hemerythrin in a variety of derivatives is now well characterized. With 3 binding ligands, a distinctive cofacial bio-octahedral stereochemistry is seen in slide. It contains 2 atoms of iron. The distance between 2 Fe atom is 3.5 angstrom unit. Deoxyhemerythrin contains 2 high spin ferrous ions bridged by hydroxyl group. One iron is hexacoordinated and another is pentacoordinated. A hydroxyl group serves as a bridging ligand but also functions as a proton donor to the O2 substrate. This proton transfer results in the formation of a single oxygen atom bridge. O2 binds to the pentacoordinated Fe2 plus center at the vacant coordination site. Then electrons are transferred from the ferrous ions to generate the binuclear ferric center with bound peroxide. Hemerythrin differ than the hemoglobin by 2 ways. First, hemerythrin are very little cooperative or non-cooperative. Second, there are 2 Fe atoms in hemerythrin to bind dioxygen molecule. Each binding site possesses 2 Fe2 plus atoms and the reaction takes place via 3 redox reactions to form Fe3 plus and peroxide. So students, we'll meet in the next presentation soon. Do watch it. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye. Thank you.